Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Garibaldi. This is a very simple 2-ingredient cocktail consisting of just Campari and orange juice. This is a perfect drink for anyone new to Campari. So the first thing we're going to do is just pour 60 milliliters or 2 ounces of Campari straight into our glass. This drink is made in the glass, so again, super easy. Then just take a couple pieces of your ice and add a little bit of orange juice, and what we're going to do here is just incorporate that so we have kind of a base cocktail just before we add the rest of our orange juice. This will just help with the incorporation of all the flavours. Then add the rest of your orange juice to your shaker, and we're actually going to shake up this orange juice just to get it nice and frothy. So we're going to dry shake, which basically means shaking without ice. Now, obviously when dry shaking, because there's no ice, the tins aren't cold, because obviously normally they would conduct the cold from the ice. So just be extra cautious here to not let any spillage come out of your tins, as they won't be locked as securely as usual when you would be shaking with ice. So then add a few more ice cubes to your glass and pour over your orange juice. Then top it up with a bit more ice just to get the drink nice and to the top. And you'll notice the pretty wonderful presentation of this drink with the Campari sitting at the bottom there. I like a lemon twist with this drink. You could also use an orange peel, which I thinly slice and spritz over the top before just dropping it in like so. And there you have it, the Garibaldi.